what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're learning some Bob Dylan. It's his birthday today, so let's learn this cool song, Mr. Tambourine Man. Okay, let's start with putting a capo on 3rd fret, please. 1, 2, 3. So, song is in D shape. 1, 2, 3. We only got 3 chords. G major and A major. So he starts strumming, just holding the D. And then it's a chorus before the verse. So that's G, A, D, and G. D, G, A, back to G, A, D, G, D, G, A, and to D, hang on the D before the verse. Okay, so every chorus is the same, and the verses are a little bit different. So let's do that again. It's starts on D, then it's G, A, and then D, G, D, G 2 times to the A. And then back to G, repeats, D, G, always 2 times, D, G, and quick A to D. The difference between the verse is between the D and G, he stays longer. So that's the only difference. Let's do that. First verse. G, D to G, D to G, D to G to A, G to A, D to G 3 times. Only 2 times. Back to G. And with D and hang there. Let's do the next verse. G to A and D to G. This could be 4 times. Use your ears. That was 4 times to A, back to G. Let's do 4 times there. One more time, last time. Okay, last chorus, come on. Do, A. Cool. Strumming is down, 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 up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, 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 down. All right. So let's go over everything again before we end the lesson. Starts in D. The song starts with D, and then we have chorus right away, which is G, A, D. Let's say G, A, D, G, D, G 2 times to A. And then back to G, A, D, G, D, G, A, and D. That's a chorus. And the only difference with the verses is when he hangs on the D, G, D, G longer. First verse is 3 times. I think second verse 3 times 2, but it's as many as 5 later on. 5 times here. He just stays. Cool. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Happy birthday, Bob. And I see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks.